pwedeng mag-give-in tayo na lang. Hindi pwede yun.
I am Candy Pangilinan. I'm 50 years old. The name of my child is Quentin. Paano ko nalaman? It's because my eye doctor was the one who told me to go to a DepEd. These are signs, sabi niya gano'n. And that's under siya ng spectrum. Doon ko yung na-realize yung wala lang. Pag nagwawala yung bata, tapos lahat sila nakatingin sa akin, yung parang ang sama ng inang to. Kasi hinahayaan ko siya magwala kahit nasa mall. Nagwawala si Quentin. Tapos nakatingin lang sila sa akin, parang ang sama ng nanay na to, hinahayaan yung anak niya. Yung ako talaga yung sama akong nanay. There are children tinatali sa probinsya because they don't know that the child is under the spectrum. It changed my perception about so many things. It changed my patience. It changed the way I see things. Yes, I get tired. You can get tired, you can rest, but you can never give up.